Good afternoon, students. How are you? All are very good. Okay, now it's time to just read, or you can say time to study your social science subject. And today we are going to start our lesson 4. And what's the name of that lesson? The air around us. The air around us. Now, see, you can see this picture. Can you see? Yes, see, this is our earth. Yes. Now see, our planet earth surrounded by air all around us. You can see these are the, you can say, layers around us, and it is called, I have told you yesterday in revision lesson also, this is called atmosphere. Okay, and that air provides oxygen for animal life and carbon dioxide for plant life also. Air that we breathe, we are human beings, animals also, we are taking oxygen, and plant, what plant need carbon dioxide, which we just giving, or you can say breathing out. We are breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. Understand? Okay. Now see, air is very necessary for us. Then also you can say we are just talking about the causes of air pollution. What is air pollution? Now see, in this picture, can you see, this is an industry, that smoke is coming out. You can see this car that also just giving out smoke, and this, see this sewage, that waste is coming out, and with the help, or you can say smell from it also, you can say causing air pollution. Okay, and these are some points: smoke emitted by factories and plants, emission of exhaust by vehicles, burning of coal, kerosene oil, wood for household fire, use of pesticides and fertilizer in farms, bursting of crackers emits poisonous gases into air. On any festival, when we are just, you can say, bursting the crackers, there is too much smoke in the atmosphere, and we are not feeling well when these crackers are just bursting, and it causes both pollution. Both means air pollution and noise pollution. You can see too much noise is there when we are bursting the firecrackers. And see, air pollution, dumping of garbage and garbage burning also, it, garbage burning and dumping both are creating air pollution. These are very useful point, and with the help of this point you can understand better. Now see, the harmful effects of air pollution. What are the health effects? What are the, you can say, bad effects of the air pollution on us? You can see it causes damage to our breathing system. We are having problem when we just going in a polluted air. It affects our lungs. It causes disease like cancer. It causes disease like cancer. It destroys the environment. You can see when greenery is there, and when plants are also taking bad air, or you can say polluted air themselves, then they are also not giving a freshness to the environment, and it destroys the environment also. It causes global warming also. Global warming, you can just tell that with the help of, or you can say with the main cause of this air pollution, the atmosphere of our environment becomes very, you can say, just like harmful for our body also, and for plants also, and for the, you can say, all surroundings also. In these surroundings all things are coming. Now see, how to check air pollution. For shorter distance, ride a bike or walk. If you want to go some small distance, you can go on a walk, it's better, or to ride a bike. Small, you can say, there are electric bicycles also, or you can say scooty also, that are also useful. But those who are giving polluted air, that vehicle we can avoid. Use public transport. You can say public transport, buses are there, autos are there, we can go together for one place to another. Do not waste electricity also. Plant more trees. Plant more trees. Yes, it will also help to just make the air you can say fresh. Do not burst crackers. Avoid using household fuels and go for cleaner. Do not waste water. Recycle paper and plastic, because you know that paper are just, you can say, come out from the trees also. If we need papers, we are cutting the trees also for that. Yes or no? And this affects our environment also. Now these are some points I have shown you, and I think with these key points we can understand our chapter easily, and we understand it very easily, you can say. Okay, now kids all are having their book, and what you have to do is you have to see these points, you can say, seriously, and then you read your book also. Then you easily understand all the paragraphs or all the points which are written there, and I have given you some short points according to which you can understand better. Then also, if you are having any problem, you can call me or you can give me your message that ma'am, I have problem in this topic and I want to know, or I want to understand, or I want to clear my queries. Okay, now children, it's your, just you can say, homework to read these points, to read your book also, and try to do the exercise of lesson number 4, and the, you can say, question answers that I will provide you in your PDF file, so that you can do your work in your notebook in a fair hand. Okay kids, now I think it's sufficient for today to understand, and later on we will do these question answers of this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.